Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you need to ship your Amazon orders to a new place, moving, traveling, or even sending a gift to someone else. Adding a new address on Amazon is quick and easy. You can do it before or maybe during the checkout. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go and talk about the easiest way to do so. Then, let's get started. Basically, to check on how to add a new address in Amazon Shopping or Amazon.com, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So, first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go all the way and look for Amazon Shopping app or Amazon.com. So for me now, I'm gonna go to Amazon.com, go to this website, tap on the website here as well. Then I'm gonna go all the way to my accounts and lists. Tap on this option here. Then go all the way to your addresses, edit, remove or set a default address. Then add address, then basically add the full address details, then save the address. Make sure the phone number is correct, double check the postal code as well. You can basically set a new address as default to avoid any shipping mistake. So for example, I want this item, I wanna go to my cart here, I'm gonna proceed to the checkout, then they're gonna ask me to select one address. You can either put a new one or basically select the address you already put here. It's the same process, so don't really worry about it. It's totally fine. And that's the main idea here. So as I told you guys, all you're gonna do is go to your profile settings, look for addresses, enter the full new address details, and save the address. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.